I will definitely help you to give professional touch to your live streaming on real time. In this particular tutorial, I would like to tell you about a virtual cam. You must be using webcam when you are doing web meeting, video conferencing, video call on Skype or any other platform, or when you are using Google Hangouts. So instead of showing that only webcam, if I want to display this particular screen directly on those web meeting software using the webcam tool, you can install a virtual cam on top of your OBS Studio, and that virtual cam can be used as a webcam. Let me show you how we can do it. You go to OBS Virtual Camera Output, click on this. So here you can download the OBS Virtual Camera. Okay, now click on this, it will start installing. The moment you have installed the camera, you will simply click on Tools and click on Virtual Camera. So this virtual camera is installed here right now. If I click on Virtual Camera now, so it will show me auto start and its name is OBS Camera. I will simply sign in. So I'm simply choosing OBS Camera. Now if I start the camera here, it will show me the same camera which I have used for my video recordings.
Thank you so much, President Radhakrishna, for such a wonderful introduction and providing many detailed explanation of the opportunities which is related to the theme today.
I have created a playlist from installation till the configuration and the most advanced features. Link of the playlist is here on this icon or the description below. For other features, please click the next video. I will keep adding videos on specific features on my YouTube channel in this particular playlist. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so that you get the notification whenever I upload a video on OBS Studio.